Hey guys, welcome back to B&K Outdoors. I'm Tyler. I am out here raking some more hay. This is fourth crop. As you saw in the last video, we were cutting. Now we're raking it up and we're going to chop it later on today. We're actually getting another good crop. It is crazy how well the hay is done this year. Talking with Dad a little bit ago, we've got more hay this year off of 3 crops than we did with 4 crops last year. Granted, there is a couple newer fields, but it's still, that's really good. And we actually have not a lot of room for a 4th crop, so we are going to end up putting 4th crop hay in the same bunker as 3rd crop. So we're going to have to uncover some of the plastic a little bit so we can dump it in there. And we've done it in the past, it works just fine. But yeah, we're making a lot of hay this year and it's really good. Corn silage harvest should be starting pretty soon, I'm thinking. Dale is thinking probably in the next week, maybe sooner than that. We're actually renting a different chopper for that too this year. Much needed. It's gonna be a New Holland just like the one we have, but it's gonna have a better processor, which that just helps with crushing up the kernels, so the cows are getting more of the nutrients and stuff that's inside of there. So yeah, we're pretty excited for that, but while we wait for that, we're gonna just keep on doing some hay.